What's up, guys? It's Mitch with SC Weather. I just want to make a quick video on this because I do think we're going to get some flooding tomorrow and starting tonight when this cold front moves through and starts to stall out wherever it's going to stall out, probably in the eastern Midlands. And so we have a lot of rain out there right now, but I really think later tonight as in after midnight, more rain starts to develop, moves out of the west from Georgia, Tennessee, and stuff like that along the cold front. It kind of starts to consolidate, and I think that in the wee hours of the morning there's definitely going to be a heavy axis of rain that starts to come out of the western Midlands into the Midlands. It starts to affect places like Columbia and stuff like that. Upstate definitely is going to see their fair share of rain tonight, especially as the cold front's moving through, but it won't stay in the upstate. It drifts more into the Midlands, and the Midlands, I really think, is going to be a hot spot tomorrow for a lot of rain, potentially flooding rain, areas that are susceptible to a lot of flooding during heavy rain when it falls fast. So, and this is just moving through tomorrow morning. Sorry, I haven't been mentioning the times, but it starts to dial, I think, tomorrow morning. A lot of rain tomorrow morning, but then later tomorrow afternoon into the evening, I think it starts to fire back up as the sun comes back out from the morning convection and everything. And then after that convection for tomorrow, I really think tomorrow evening things will start to fire back up again, where that cold front begins to stall out tomorrow evening and afternoon. And I think a heavy axis of storms, heavy rain, heavy rain in these storms, guys, just like today, is really going to set up in the Midlands, maybe eastern parts of the Midlands. And then overnight Friday, it starts to kind of die out. And I really think after the convection kind of chills and levels out, I think it starts to refire back up tomorrow. I meant Friday morning. So that is a definite threat. We need to watch out because I think tomorrow the central Midlands is definitely more of a big threat as the front's starting to figure out where it's going to stall out. But I think as we get into Friday, I still think the Midlands are going to get a lot of rain, but it starts moving to the eastern Midlands into the PD area and things like that. As you can tell, this is Friday around probably early afternoon, things like that. So soggy next couple of days. Flooding is a real threat, guys. It's not being talked about much, but I think it will get talked about much. We start to see a lot of rain quick. This is rainfall all the way just through Friday morning, and right over the central Midlands. I mean, that's 2, 3, 4, 5 inches of rain that could fall, and those purples and pinks and stuff like that. So this is a real deal. Definitely, it's not being talked about much, like I said, but I think it will when this rain starts to fall in certain areas and trains. So y'all be careful out there. Y'all have a blessed evening.